You can hear a lawnmower man there, Fowles Grange, and again there's plenty of fowl play in this Norfolk UK. Obviously this is not this, but no this lawnmower man here. Again, that is a crack and watch, True Detectives. And there are plenty of hosts for the hungry, bloodthirsty beasts in high places. Again there, High Royal Blue Crime, New Year's Day Fine, September Blue Murder, certainly not mine. Like I say, it is interesting if you do look up Voice True Detective, or the real Voice True Detectives, or the real True Detective. Again, it is disclosed in police interviews and statements how people transform during satanic ritual abuse and sacrifices when they become host to ET demonic entities and demon spirits. Again, principalities and powers of darkness, spiritual wickedness in high places. So always good to disappear far from the maddening crowd. Again, horses are fine around me. Very good film, The Ring, where there's a demonic, demon-possessed young girl who certainly unsettles the horses. Nomad, deranged, insane, demon-possessed, Jekyll and Hyde. Number 21 or number 23, serial killer here. This Mason Council, White Lodge, a local mafia, a local mob. All their cronies, spies and informers. Again, pushing all their mad monster, porcupine serial killer lies. Dr. Death SS, Silver Bullet Hume Kitson, bogus diagnosis and death threats in this Norfolk UK. So again, why you do have to go, run, fly, disappear, follow your golden compass. Should be another trail off here somewhere. That certainly is true, it's all true. That's the one we're looking for. So as always, sometimes innocent men do have to run, fly, go, disappear, follow your golden compass, or you do get boxed up, locked up, or done in, disappeared one way or another. And all to cover up high crimes, royal blue murder, certainly not mine. And again, there is the big national inquiry, the rape of Britain, 50 towns and cities. Has been complete outrage in the UK, even though Keir Starmer, number 10, the Labour Party, tried to cover it all up. And again, you can see Simon Bailey don't cry, his blonde host, plainclothes lover, not True Detective for details. Again, no Sandringham serial killer, black wizard terrorist, this shooter here. Now plenty of grooming gangs in high places. Royal grooming gang. So the Royal Sandringham Estate Killing Fields, New Year's Day Fine, September Blue Murder, certainly not mine. Again, a 17-year-old sex trafficked girl abused and hunted and found dead. That is the tip of the iceberg as to what is really going on. Castles, manor houses, UK Stable Island, country estates, plenty of high crimes, Jack the Ripper crimes, and certainly not mine. So again, always good to go new places, new faces, have real conversations that cannot be banned, blocked, deleted, censored, blacklisted by big tech social media, ban and blocking the truth and everyone's freedom of speech. And again, that's all we've seen over the last 5 years. Anyone exposing the truth, the high crimes and the monster lies, deceit and deception, cover-ups, all banned, blocked, deleted, blacklisted, shadow banned by big tech social media. They certainly will make more than your social media accounts disappear for exposing the truth. It certainly will make you an enemy of the crown, enemy of the state. So, certainly no Roy White and White Van Man, Christian B, Sandringham serial killer here, Black Wizard terrorist, Dish Shiva, really don't think so. So, plenty high crimes, Jack the Ripper crimes, and certainly not mine. They do hunt more than birds of prey on the Royal Sandringham Estate killing fields. See Prince Harry the Spare for details. And again, as always, that is the word that came off the Royal Sandringham Estate killing fields, loud and clear. So, plenty high crimes, and certainly not mine. And how do I know? A little birdie told me so. So you cannot put a price on freedom, freedom to travel and roam, freedom of speech and expression, freedom of choice, peaceful protest of innocence. And there certainly are those trying to take away everyone's God-given rights and freedoms, everyone's true God-given sovereign identity in exchange for entrapment and enslavement, eternal entrapment and enslavement. So another beautiful day out on the trails. It's always good to disconnect, to reconnect. Sometimes it's good to lose yourself, to find yourself, and you can walk till your heart's content. And there are trails that go off in every direction. You can walk right up the heart of Great Britain. And also get to the coast. There's some really nice coastal walks too. So you can become a needle in a haystack, very hard for the wrong people to find who want you boxed up, locked up or done in, disappeared one way or another. But again, all to cover up there, high crime, blue murder. Certainly not mine. That certainly does open a big can of worms, again with the National Grooming Inquiry, but whether that'll be another whitewash inquiry like the COVID inquiry that cost millions and millions. They certainly did not go far enough, and they certainly did not ask the right questions. So just more theatricals there. Problem with most people. There was a report done, I did see not too long ago, and it said that 80% of the people will believe what they're told to believe, and they will do what they're told to do. There's only 20% of the people who will actually question, especially the official narratives that don't stand up. They certainly do not stack up. Have you got eyes to see? And as the Lord Jesus Christ, Joshua tells us, we can know the truth, and it's the truth that will set and make us free. Hence why the corrupt powers to be, the goons on big tech social media, ban and blocking the truth and everyone's freedom of speech and expression. The truth certainly is coming out like a flood on many platforms now. Again, exposing, there's plenty of superheroes, exposing the supervillains, the high crimes, the monster lies and cover-ups. Nowhere for some people to hide because the truth is coming out. So the truth is the truth, and a monster lie certainly is a big monster lie, white and black, night and day. When you have the truth and you're up against the corrupt powers to be, you have the big monster lie. That's why it's all online for the world to see through. If you Google Johnny Botwright, millions of views, despite many social media accounts burned down for exposing the truth, the proof, the evidence and the facts. Freedom of speech and expression, again what the corrupt powers to be do not want you to know and do not want you to see. You can hear a dog barking in the distance, but again no mad, deranged, insane, demon possessed, Jekyll and Hyde, black killer, dog, wolf, wolfman, dogman, no Norfolk Wolf Creek, Sandringham serial killer here, black wizard terrorist, this shooter. And again cruise on my frame fixed tail in this Norwich Safehold, North Norfolk coast, Derbyshire and the Lake District. I do have unregistered phones, just use for video, don't even have a SIM in them. So they'll certainly set you up as a black panther, serial killer on the loose, a big black cat, to be hunted, box caged, assassinate, disappeared, one way or another. Some people like their blood sport, others their blood money, human hunting. Again, I don't know how much your God-given rights and freedoms, your true God-given sovereign identity, your priceless eternal soul is worth to you. So again, don't lose it. Do not allow it to be stolen or trapped, eternally trapped and enslaved.